Good morning. I'm Mário Duarte from SERMEC. I'm the CEO of SERMEC at 40 years. And in this moment, we have in the second generation of the industry. And our industry is a family industry. We make a lot of jobs in maintenance for a lot of industry, steel, trains, wind, and we'd like to invite the companies of Morocco to visit SERMEC, or more or less same for I visit your companies in Morocco. In this moment, we work at 40 years with companies in Morocco. We make, I think, a turnover at more or less 2 million so far at this moment, and we'd like to work with another companies in your country, in Morocco.
Thank you.
Okay.